Where have the birds flown? I have searched every branch, every shadow, yet the sky remains empty.
Waju, there's a madman who came to our village. We're going to see him. Will you come with us?
Yes, I'll come. What's it about? Why do you guys want to see him?
He's an interesting madman. He speaks in riddles. He tells stories that twist your mind.
And he says he speaks the language of birds, that they whisper secrets to him. Really? I want to see this man.
Tell me, tree, do the birds forget the tree? Or does the tree forget how to sing? Where have the birds gone? I have searched every branch, every leaf that no longer grows them, but memory is a cage, and the sky has no door.
Are you looking for birds?
Because a man without bird, yes, but I seek what has left me.
Why?
And a man without a song forgets who he is.
Birds? Do they speak to you? Do you understand what they say?
They did once, but now the birds are silent, and silence is the loudest truth.
He's definitely lying. No, he's not lying. He's speaking of something we don't understand yet. What did they say to you last time you heard them?
One day, the sun burned my skin and thirst burned my throat. I was alone.
I walked until the wind forgot my name. And then I saw a tree, a great tree, standing alone in the desert.
Let's play a game. Each of us will tell a meaningful story.
No, this isn't the right time for stories. Someone might hear us.
You know what? I want to start first. Fine. Go ahead.
This branch we're sitting on isn't a normal branch. If anyone cuts it, takes its leaves, and places them over a blind person's eyes, that person will be able to see again, completely normal.
If someone takes a stick from this branch and taps a person who has lost their mind, it will bring them back. They'll become normal again.
Okay, hear me out. If someone takes a stick from this branch and rides it like a horse, that person can fly. They can go anywhere they want.
So, do we tell someone? Or do we keep it as our secret?
If it's true, then show me.
By the gods, am I dreaming? Did I just see a man fly from the sky?
No, grandmother, that was very real.
Then, have you come to cure the king's daughter?
Did the All-Lighter really see you flying?
The king's daughter. What happened?
There is a king in the great city. He has a daughter, but she lost her mind, and his wife. The queen wept until she went blind. The king promises his daughter's hand to any healer who can save them, but all have failed.
Then I must see this king. I can cure them.
Wait, he kills those who fail. You must be certain.
I understand the risk, but I will try. Who are you? Why are you here?
I'm a healer. I've come for the king. I can cure his wife and his daughter.
Many have claimed that. All have failed. The king executes liars. You know what happens if you fail?
I know. My life for theirs. I accept.
Wait here. I will inform the king. My king, a healer waits at the gate. He says he can cure the queen and the princess.
Another one.
He knows the cost. He says he accepts it.
Bring him, but warn him clearly before he enters. If he fails, I will kill him myself. I will not have another charlatan look upon my daughter in her condition. No one sees her like this. No one. Do you understand?
I understand. The king will see you. But hear me, if you fail, the king will kill you. Because he does not want anyone to see the princess as she is now. Crazy. Broken. Do you still accept? I accept. Follow me.
You are the healer?
I am.
You know the situation?
Yes, I know.
If you fail, there is no second chance. I will end you myself.
I did not come here to fail, my king.
Then begin with the queen first.
So you followed the first bird just to test if it was telling the truth?
Yes, I followed the bird to test its truth.
What if it was wrong? Weren't you scared?
But tell me, boy, if you never take one step into the unknown, how will you ever know if the ground will hold you? Fear is the shadow. I walk toward the light.
Light! I can see light! My husband! Go away! Go away! You smell like the trees! Go away!
Healer!
Go away!
What are you
Go
doing?
away! You smell like the trees!
Healer!
What is the meaning of this?
Enough!
Father.
My daughter.
Father, I'm sorry. I don't know what happened to me.
Healer, you have done what no one else could. You have brought back my wife's sight. You have brought back my daughter's maze mind. You spoke truth. You kept your word.
Now it's my turn. I will let you marry my daughter. You will become the prince of this land.
My king, I am honored beyond words.
Then it is done.
So, all the birds were right? Their words actually worked? And everyone became normal again?
And did the king let you marry his daughter?
Yes. The birds changed my life. And then...
I want to leave. Return to my town. See my parents.
Then I'll come with you.
No. I can't take you. You're pregnant.
Traveling while pregnant is normal. I'll be fine.
It's not about the pregnancy. There's something you don't know about me.
Then tell me, why won't you take me? You've never spoken of your parents. What is it? I want to know.
I am a prince.
My father was a good king. When I was a child, I was a very naughty boy. I was small, aggressive, and naughty. No one was happy with me. I used to create problems everywhere. All the people went to my father. They said, choose your son, or choose your people.
I heard them. I saw my father standing there, ashamed. He didn't know what to do. So I left. I was just a child. I had nothing. But I only wanted my father to be happy. He deserved a better son than me. I slept on rocks. I wandered the desert. I lived with shepherds. I traveled for years. Then I heard about you and your mother. I came here to help. Now I've changed. I'm a good man. And now I'm going to be a father. I want to see my parents before it's too late. I don't know how they are without me.
You were a child, Chungies, and you did what you thought was right. You've become a good man now. I will come with you.
Then we must tell your father first.
She is your wife now. You can take her anywhere you want. If you go, give my greetings to your father. Tell him I wish to meet him.
Chungies, I'm in pain. Maybe it's time.
Don't worry. I'll go to that village for help.
Please help me. My wife, she's alone by the river. She's pregnant and in pain.
What happened?
The pain started. Please come quickly.
All right. Give me a few minutes. I'll gather my things and come.
Don't take long. She's alone. I need to wash for prayer. I will be right outside. My stick. Have you seen my stick?
Yes. I put it in the fire. I was out of wood and thought you brought it for me to make tea.
Ah! Ah! My stick is gone, and so is my princess. How will I get back to her? My magical stick is gone. So is my princess.
I think I know him. What happened? You guys wait here. Don't let him go. I will be back. Don't let him go, please.
Chungies? What happened to you? Where have you been all these years? After leaving me alone?
Oh, my princess.
Look, he is your son. He is your son.